And welcome back to Sophisticated Teacher, where I'm going to show you how to make a pencil skirt pattern. Measure around your waist, which is close to your belly button. Then you're going to measure from the belly button to the fullest part of your hip. Then you're going to measure the fullest part of your hip. After you measure the fullest part of your hip, you're going to measure from there down to your knees, going lengthwise. After you take that measurement, take a measurement of around your knees. After you take the measurement around your knees or where you would like it to stop, you're going to take your waist, hip, and knee measurement and divide those measurements by 4. Leave a space and then draw your waist measurement. Next, after you draw your waist measurement, you're going to draw the length of your hip measurement. After you draw the length of your hip measurement, you're going to actually draw your hip measurement. After that, you will draw the length from hip to knee. After you draw your hip to knee measurement, you're going to draw the measurement around your knees. And that would be 7.5. Make sure that your lines when you're going across are straight. You're going to connect all 3 lines on the side. And then you will add your seam allowance as I show you. Make sure you add the seam allowance on the hem and around the waist. Then I used the waistband on the skirt there to make the waistband for the skirt if you would actually like to have a waistband. And I don't always put a waistband on mine, but you can if you would like. And then that will be it. Easy peasy. This takes maybe 20 minutes. If you have any tutorial requests that you would like to see here on my channel, please let me know and I'll be sure to get with you and do those for you. I'm pretty open book about what I like to show on this channel, so just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. One love. God bless.